looks clear in through there.
It looks like it didn't get past the steel mesh. So it's important to have steel mesh in your air filter and not be one of those foam reusable jobs. Otherwise, man, that is chewed right down to nothing. That is quite impressive. So yeah, if that had been a foam one, then it would have worked its way right through it and been all through the intake and everything. It didn't get past that steel at all. And people make fun of ram filters. So the moral of the story is make sure you have a decent air filter, especially in something sitting.